Hi everyone, another day, another shield. Today I have this shield, joystick shield. It's basically just buttons and joysticks. Joystick also have a clicking. Uh, it also have cool features like connector for Nokia display and for NRF24 wireless module. I have it like right here. So yeah, basically it's a shield. You need to have some like Arduino. What I have Arduino Mega. It's like big like that. It it also same size, but it can also be used as a small boards like Uno or this. I think it's Leonardo. Yes, Leonardo. And yeah. So and yes. You basically need to plug it like that. Yeah. And I also have this Nokia display. Unfortunately, it's not pin-to-pin compatible. I see in the internet that they just solder directly and they have pin alignment happened, but not for me. I will show the wiring diagram. Check the link in the comments as well as the code. So please check it in. And yeah, it also can be used with STM boards. Some STM boards have Arduino Shield pinout, and I have a smaller version of it. This one is a little bit different. It uses 3 wires and it uses analog read to read what button and a smaller display. Also, here is 2 more connection, one for Bluetooth and one for basically everything that have I2C. So for example, I have this display. I didn't try it, but it also can be connected here. So let's get started. Here at my computer, this is the coder. Pinout for every button, analog input X, Y, and here's display. Here it says DXCOM, but it's no longer working. And there are also topic about this display, but only you need to match this clock and other pins. So I make a wiring diagram like that. So 3 volts GND clock and all the pins on the joystick. And basically it set up some and displays the buttons. And basically that's it. Check the links about this code in comments. I will put it there, as well as this diagram. And here's a working example. LCD display. It will display buttons. For example, this button is D. This should be A, B, and so on. And joystick, if you not fast update, X0, Y. Here's also button, and this one have button, but it doesn't display. E and F. So this E and this F. Here I put it on STM32 Nucleo board. This one Mega, and this one Duo, and this one NRF. And we have I2C, Bluetooth, to display port, and a switch 5 volts or 3.3. And basically that's it. I will check NRF next, but I don't know if I need to make a video about it. What do you think?